Have you ever felt like the world is changing faster than you can keep up? New technology, online banking, retirement planning, artificial intelligence, and many more. Sometimes it feels like the world is moving at lightning speed. My name is Orighoye, and like many people in the second half of life, I am learning, adapting, and building for the future. In this channel, I share practical advice on the new technologies, artificial intelligence, personal finance, online safety, and the skills we need to thrive in today's world. Whether you're looking to understand AI, protect yourself from scams, manage your money wisely, or start a side hustle, or stay relevant in today's fast changing world, then you're in the right place. I'm not here to impress you with complex jargon. I'm here to learn alongside you and show that it is never too late for new opportunities. If you are 50 and above, or you believe that learning never stops, then come along with me, subscribe, and let's go on this journey together. Together, we will learn, adapt, and build a future together. Welcome to my channel.